This is Greg from
what I was
Moonwalker
attempting to do
Services.
here was
Over here in Boulder City.
thank everybody
at,
from the boot
nice
camp
private golf
on
course.
going to places like this.
Anyways,
doing boots on the ground.
it's because of you guys
with,
that I'm
Boulder City
actually hitting
Chamber of
places like this
Commerce,
now.
different
I'd like to
areas.
say thanks to
And I
Josh
just want to thank everybody, especially
Sun
Josh
Gym
Lattimore,
team and
Sid Graff,
people
Chris
like,
Martinez, and
Jason
then
Proctor,
a
Stephen James,
bunch of the guys in the boot camp, Murphy's
Bob
from
Walker.
Texas.
Hey, keep up with those podcasts, Bob. I think
Jason
they're
Proctor,
awesome.
Andy Masura,
The Murphys in Texas.
local guys,
Local
Chad
people,
Hughes,
Chad Hughes,
Josephine and
Bruce
Bruce from
Josephine
All Washed Up.
And
Many others.
His
You guys
company's
have been
paying
great.
class. Like I
And
said,
just give me a
you guys
chance
are real
to
smart.
check
really
everything
helping
out
me
here.
out with my business. Anyways, just doing my boots on the. Yeah, we also last night we were here with the Boulder City Chamber of Commerce. We're doing our boots on the ground for Moonwalker, and I just wanted to swing by today and show you the place. Like I said, I've been here 6 years, and it's the first time I was up here. It was because of the boots on the ground and hitting places like this. Getting ready to do the donut dance again. Gonna hit the airport again and a couple other places.
Heading up to the Boulder City Chamber of Commerce mixer here at Cascada Golf Course here in Boulder City. Real beautiful place. If you live up here in Boulder or you live in the Vegas area, you should definitely check it out. It's now open to the public. Definitely check it out. Great place. Hopefully we can do some cleaning for them and solve some of their cleaning needs.